What's going on, guys? Welcome to this mini tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to get the most out of my videos regardless the language like you speak. Let's go to YouTube right now, and then you're gonna put on the search bar the best tattoo channel on the web, Jason Ramos Tattoos. A lot of you have been asking me for multiple languages subtitles. Hey Jason, I love your videos, I love your content, but I don't speak Spanish. That's not a problem at all, because thanks to YouTube, thanks to technology, you can enjoy my YouTube videos in your language. You just have to choose the right language for you. So let's click right here in this video, and before anything else, make sure you smash this subscribe button. Okay, let's pause it for a second, and let's just mute it, and then if you just click this CC square right here, the channel, the software is gonna show you your language. Like, depending on the country where you at, the channel is gonna show you your languages basically. Now, if you speak a different language, you're just gonna click this little engine right here. I don't know if that is an engine, or I think that's like a gear basically. You're gonna click it, and then here when it says subtitles CC auto generated, you're just gonna select your language. You're gonna click this button that says auto translate, and then you're gonna find all the languages that YouTube has for you. So let's say like, I don't know, what am I, this a lot of languages right here. Let's say I'm Filipino. Okay, so let's say I'm speaking, like, I don't know, Filipino. I don't know, I didn't know that was a language. I know that these people from Philippines, but I didn't know that was the name of the language. But let's click it. Now the channel is gonna show you the Filipino language, and like that, just like that, you're gonna do it for any language. So like that, you're gonna enjoy my content. You're gonna learn a lot about tattoos in any language. Okay, that was it, guys. That was it. That's basically the tutorial. That was the point. Just because a lot of you have been asking me for different languages subtitles, different languages for my content, so there you have it. Thanks for watching this like mini tutorial. I hope you like it. I'm sorry for my bad English. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Enjoy all my content. Peace out and much love, and smash the like button.